My Cadillac Escalade 2023. I had a problem with the side step right here coming out. They wanted almost $1,800 to replace the motor, so I went ahead and ordered the motor. Basically it was 4 bolts. It's that one right there. So there's 4 bolts that holds it on the inside and 2 small screws that hold the step. Also there's a rod that goes across to the second section there. It was fairly easy to do. Problem I had was, once I installed it, I tried it a couple of times, it didn't work. Until you turn on the vehicle and drive, then I guess it resets itself. It started working after that. But let me see if I can get under here. Hopefully you can see the motor and the rod there. There's 2 plugs. Here's the old one. There's 2 plugs on this thing. This is the 2 screws that holds the step. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that holds it to the actual frame. So this is the frame side, and that's the step side. I had a problem with the rod that goes across from this all the way to the second one. I had a problem getting to the motor, so I took apart the motor itself and started spinning it. This is what happened to the old one. These are magnets, and the magnets broke on the old motor. I took off the cap, so you have to spin it in order to spin the rod here. So when you spin this spins and this comes back in. So in order to get to the screw, you have to manually spin it for it to turn. 2 plugs. 1 plug for the motor. I believe the second plug is for the running lights. There's lights that light up underneath. Anyway, if you have any questions, just send me a message and we'll go from there. But now it's working perfect. Let's see. Driver's side. I didn't have any problems with the driver's side. But now if it does, I know what to do. Oh, for the price of the motor, I paid I think $400. $400 to I bought it online, and took me about an hour to install.